Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Estampar Concreto is probably one of the most innovative ways to transform ordinary concrete into stunning, textured surfaces. These molds open up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to mimic the look of natural stone, brick, or even wood, all while maintaining the durability and cost-effectiveness of concrete. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned contractor, these molds offer an exciting opportunity to elevate your projects. Number 5. Walkmaker Pathmate Stone Moldings Paving Pavement. Want a beautiful pathway without special skills? This Walkmaker makes it easy. Even if you're inexperienced, you can build a stunning path. The concrete board is incredibly user-friendly. Simply pour concrete into the mold and let it set. It's that simple to create your own walkway. Made from high-quality plastic, this paver board is built to last. After use, just clean it with water, and you can reuse it time and time again. This mold creates a path that looks like individual stone blocks. The design adds an exotic touch, allowing you to create a unique road path style. With dimensions of 16.9 by 16.9 by 1.5 inches, it's the perfect size for creating stepping stones. It is ideal for your patio, lawn, and garden. What we like. This mold is incredibly easy to use, perfect for beginners. Its unique shape allows you to create exotic pathways. If you are looking for a simple yet effective way to enhance your patio or garden, you should consider this. What people say. Redoing area of yard and wanted a design instead of your standard concrete walkway, easy to use and looks awesome. Easy to use and simple to clean up. Pattern works well when combined with other molds sold on the Amazon website. Use these to create a faux paver look in our backyard on our tired and old-looking concrete. Used with spray paint and it turned out even better than expected. Just be sure to press the form down on the concrete so the spray paint doesn't run. But these were durable, a great value, super easy to use, and created the look we were hoping for. Number 4. SvitMolds S34 Concrete Paving Stone Molds. These molds allow you to easily create beautiful paving stones. With this set, you can make your own unique walkways and patios. It's a simple way to enhance your outdoor space. Each set includes 6 molds, perfect for creating a variety of stone patterns. The molds are made of durable ABS plastic and are designed for repeated use. You can create up to 0.37 square meters of paving stones. The molds are made of ABS plastic, ensuring they are strong and long-lasting. The thickness of the molds is 1.9 to 2 millimeters. They are designed to withstand the concrete casting process. Once the stones are made, you can paint them any color you desire. This allows you to personalize your yard and create a unique look. The stones will be a perfect addition to your garden. These molds make it easy to create professional-looking paving stones. Simply pour concrete into the molds, let it set, and then remove the mold. The process is simple and rewarding. What we like. This set includes multiple molds, offering diverse textures for your paving stones. The molds are reusable, making it a cost-effective choice. If you want to create a unique and textured patio, you should choose this. What people say. The sizing is exactly as expected, and they're lightweight and easy to work with. With a light coat of vegetable oil, the concrete releases effortlessly from the molds. The results are both beautiful and functional, making them perfect for creating a great-looking sidewalk. Number 3. Reusable Patio Concrete Paving Garden Path Molds, A. Want to add a personal touch to your garden? This mold allows you to create unique, stereoscopic stepping stones. It's perfect for patios, driveways, and garden paths. Unleash your creativity with this easy-to-use mold. Design your own garden path and give your yard an artistic flair. It's a fun DIY project for garden lovers. This mold is designed for repeated use, allowing you to build a continuous path. The durable material ensures it will last through many projects. No special skills are needed. Even if you're a beginner, you can create beautiful pathways. The simple design makes it accessible for everyone. Available in various sizes, you can choose the perfect fit for your project. This gives you flexibility in designing your ideal outdoor space. What we like. The design matches with color pigment, allowing you to create stereoscopic stones. It's also easy to use, even for beginners. If you like to add artistic sense to your garden, you should consider this. What people say. Es muy práctico porque no es chico y no es grande. So easy to use. Neighbors couldn't say enough. Number 2. SvitMolds W02 DIY Concrete Stone Mold Set. Introducing the SvitMolds W02 set. This set of molds allows you to create beautiful, natural-looking stone walls. It's a simple way to transform any space. This set includes 9 durable, reusable plastic molds. They are made of ABS plastic, ensuring they can withstand repeated use. You can create your own stone wall with it. The molds offer 5 different stone textures, providing a variety of looks. This allows you to create a unique and customized design for your project. The set can cover 0.52 square meters area. The molds are made of high-quality ABS plastic, with a thickness of 1.9 to 2 millimeters. This ensures the molds are strong and can produce detailed stone patterns. The thickness may vary depending on the product's geometry. With this set, creating a stone wall is a straightforward DIY project. It's a great way to add a touch of elegance and style to your home or garden. It's a great choice for your home decoration. What we like. This set provides multiple molds to imitate natural stone. It offers 5 different textures, giving you plenty of design options. If you are looking for a way to create a natural stone wall, you should consider this. What people say. This product is sturdy and will stand the test of time if cared for properly. The end product looks amazing. Every use. Clean thoroughly, dry wipe, Murphy's oil in a spray bottle, then use a paintbrush to coat every part including tight corners and sides of mold. No puddles. Don't worry if it discolors your mix. It washes off. Number 1. ABS Plastic Concrete Stone Brick Molds. These molds allow you to create beautiful stone brick walls. They are perfect for home decoration and adding a unique touch to any space. The set includes 5 different textures. This allows you to create a variety of stone brick designs, giving you plenty of options for your project. Made from durable ABS plastic, this mold is built to last. It can withstand repeated use, making it a great investment for DIY enthusiasts. The molds come in multiple sizes, including 23.42 by 4.72 by 1.18 inches, 15.74 by 4.72 by 1.18 inches, 13.77 by 4.72 by 1.18 inches, 9.84 by 4.72 by 1.18 inches, and 7.87 by 4.72 by 1.18 inches. This allows you to create walls of various dimensions. This mold is reusable, making it a cost-effective solution for your projects. You can use it multiple times to create beautiful stone brick walls. With this set, you can cover an area of 0.22 square meters. It's perfect for small to medium-sized projects, allowing you to easily transform your space. What we like. This set includes multiple molds to imitate natural stone. It offers 5 different textures, giving you plenty of design options. If you want to decorate your home with natural stone, you should consider this. What people say. The molds are very good. The product is of good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.